Have you ever noticed how many different kinds of vehicles we see every day on the go? Cars, trucks, airplanes, trains, boats. Each one was designed with a purpose. Some carry people, some help build, some rescue, some travel long distances. Each one moves differently and was created to do something unique. Every vehicle has a purpose. In a similar way, God created each of us with a purpose too. That's one of the ideas behind this month's theme, On the Go with God. As kids see transportation and movement all around them, we can use those everyday moments as reminders that God made each of us uniquely and gives each of us gifts we can use for Him. Our focus verse this month is 1 Peter 4:10. As each has received a gift, use it to serve one another as good stewards of God's varied grace. This is such an important truth for kids to understand. Not everyone has the same gifts. Not everyone learns the same way. Not everyone creates the same way. God designed each person differently and with purpose. This month's resources were created to help children connect creativity, everyday life, and Scripture together in meaningful ways. Inside the monthly printables and lessons, you'll find focus verse pages, creative activities, transportation-themed art, journaling and reflection pages, and simple ways to talk about purpose and serving others. One simple way to use these resources is read the focus verse together, create something connected to the theme, and talk about how God uniquely designed each person. While you're on the go, talk about the different vehicles you see and their purpose, or discuss how different people help others in different ways. You see, every vehicle has a purpose and can remind you of God. Even simple conversations can leave lasting impressions. You might draw vehicles, create landscapes. One of the featured Bible art lessons this month is The Earth Without Art is Eh. This lesson reminds children that creativity helps us notice the beauty and the details of God's creation all around us. The goal isn't perfect art. The goal is helping children notice God, understand their purpose, and remember that their gifts matter. You don't have to do everything at once. Choose one verse, one activity, one meaningful conversation. And let that become a reminder that wherever we go, God goes with us too. If you'd like to explore this month's resources, printables, and art lessons, you'll find everything linked below. I'm so glad you're here.